Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Julie Sinha with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Wednesday, November 25th, 2009. Apollo Global Management has renewed its efforts to list its shares publicly on the New York Stock Exchange by early next year. According to the Wall Street Journal, the private equity firm's shares have been privately traded for more than 2 years on Goldman Sachs' GS True platform, which is closed to the general public. Apollo had initially filed paperwork with the SEC to list shares on the New York Stock Exchange in April of 2008. The filing was updated in August of that year and on Monday again after a 15-month gap. According to Bloomberg, the firm is registering 35.6 million Class A shares, more than a third of the total outstanding. In staying with hedge fund news, private equity firm Citadel Capital has listed its shares on Egypt's stock exchange as it prepares for a rights issue. According to Financial Times, the Cairo-based firm is seeking to enhance its investments in the Middle East and East African countries, especially in Algeria, Egypt, Sudan, Ethiopia, and Kenya. The company will determine the size of the rights issue once the shares are listed and begin trading. This was said by Chairman Ahmed Haikal. Trading is expected to start within 5 to 8 working days. Citadel has a capital of $607 million with dividends into 661.6 million shares. And in more hedge fund news, Capital Trust has promoted COO Stephen Plavin to Chief Executive Officer and a Director. According to Trading Markets, the move follows the December 1st retirement of Chief Executive President and Board Member John Klopp. Klopp will continue to serve as a consultant to the company for the next 12 months. And Jeffrey Jervis and Thomas Roofing will remain Chief Financial Officer and Chief Credit Officer. And in other hedge fund news, Russian investment firm Pharos Financial Advisors has rolled out a $350 million private equity fund. According to FIN Alternatives, the fund aims to operate and acquire agricultural land in Eastern Europe, Eurasia, and Africa. The Pharos Miro Agricultural Fund requires a minimum subscription of $6 million and is offered to family offices, private equity groups, and other investors across the Middle East. Also, the new fund is in partnership with Dubai-based Miro Asset Management, which will act as asset manager overseeing land acquisitions and farm development. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. I'm Julie Sinha. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online and read the full stories and latest developments. Again, thanks for watching.